What the?
Weird, right?
Yeah, why is this all blocked now?
Well, I don't know. Crazy 2-1. That mean anything?
No, I don't know. Never heard of it. It's probably just some stupid kid gang.
Damn, I'm working on a video pod. The guy that's filming me is in the van. Think you can find a way in there?
I don't know. You got any ideas?
Maybe. Follow me. Use that kick.
So you think you can ride in 2-1 turf?
You the guys have been writing their names all over?
Yeah, money. The crazy 2-1. That's blackjack. You hit it. The 2-1. Man, you better recognize.
Yeah? So what's up? I've been skating here since day one.
Well, that's dead now. This is our spot, homie. We run FDR.
Run FDR? It's a public park. Yo, what the hell?
Look, chump. Get out of here now or get that worse. Like 20 times worse.
Chill, man. I ain't got no beef with you.
You're up in FDR, so you got beef with Cam. Yeah, you better run.
What's all that yelling? Did you find... Oh, man, your nose is bleeding.
I know. I got punched in the face.
What? By who? The two crazy ones?
Two? There's like 20 of them. And this guy Cam sucker punched me.
For what?
For trying to skate FDR.
We'll smash those fools.
Are you listening to me? There's 20 of them at least. You'll get killed.
They can't stop me from skating in there. I came all the way from Oz to skate this place. It's public. Skaters built this.
Yeah, well, they just made it real private. And what are we supposed to do? There's too many of them.
We can't let those guys keep us out. I'm gonna head over to... They should be around here somewhere. Hey, where are you guys? What? What? That sounds bad, man. But don't worry, I'll take care of it.
What's going on, Dustin?
How'd you like to do me a quick favor? The guy said while they were waiting for me, some fool stole the camera equipment. Skate check him to get the...
Hey, come on, kid. What are you gonna do about it, huh? Did you see that? Come on, let's teach these punks a lesson.
Now would be a great time to practice that checking. Nice hit!
This guy's hard.
Nice hit! Nice one! Good job, mate. We'll sell...
You don't even know.
Good. Then let's get back to... Skate check through those punks. Now clear the rest of them out of F.
Ain't no one gonna mess with us.
Hey, I saw one over here.
dead sucker now.
CTO, get your son.
Hey, Justin told me.
Hey, mate.
You find your crew yet?
Oh, what's up? You know Jeremy Rogers?
Hey, how's it going?
That gang, the Crazy 2-1, they're out of control. They're running around the city beating up skaters, and they're saying it's your friend's fault.
I have an idea. Hey, Stoops! You suck! Hey, Kooks! Over here! Hey, Kooks! Over here! You suck! Hey, Kooks! Over here! Slim. Hey, Shockfest.
Stop!
Hey, Stoops.
Hey, come on!
Hey, Stoops. Yo, brother!
Dustin, you find any more of them?
Not a soul. Looks like they're gone.
Hey, hey,
Jeremy, what's going on?
So, man, yeah.
Okay, so here's the deal. The thugs are trying to destroy 3 of the skate spots in DC.
Damn skaters ought to learn after this. Don't mess with Crazy 2-1.
If you leave the spot without scoring, the thugs will probably come back.
Damn skaters ought to learn after this.
If you leave the spot without scoring, the thugs will probably come back.
Don't mess with the Crazy 2-1. Don't mess with Crazy 2-1.
Alright, the locals are back. Move on. Now score big in the park. Scoring big, protecting the thugs to show the locals it's safe to come back. Damn, they won't give this spot up.
What just hit me? What was that?
The park was almost completely ruined. Is that it? Did we do it?
I think we did. There's no one left.
Hey there, home. Where the hell are you guys? You better not be slacking again, especially without me. First they say they're ready, and now they're nowhere. Crap.
Dustin!
I can handle these guys. Damn.
Man, I thought you were scared. You thought I was an easy win?
Come after me.
Gotta do a little better than that. It's not gonna be that
You
easy.
guys look angry. I could use a hand over here. Now!
It's not gonna be that easy.
Use a hand over here. Now! These guys look angry.
Oh, bad call!
Man, I thought you could skip. What's the matter? Can't catch me?
I can handle these guys. Get Cam.
Man, I thought you could skip. What's the matter? Can't catch me? Run, little man, run! You can't hide from me. Yeah, a little different when I see you coming, huh, punk?
You gonna get yours?
Ha, sucker!
Oh, you a dead sucker now? Hey, you got lucky,
What's
boy.
the matter? You can't catch me?
These guys look angry.
Man, I thought you could skip. Run, little man, run! Man, I thought you could see how you fight when I'm off my board.
I need help over here soon.
You can't hurt me, fool! What's the matter? I'm gonna kick your ass now. Oh, look out, fool! I'm okay. Man, I thought you could skate.
I can handle these guys. Get Cam.
Okay, punk. Now get ready for a beat. Nice try. You can't hide from me. Man, I thought you could skate.
Might need help over here soon.
Run, little man, run! Ha-ha, sucker! You can't hide from me!
You guys look angry.
No place left to hide, Cam. You're done.
Man, bump that!
Screw you, mate. Your gang's a wreck. Beat it.
FDR is our house, and don't forget it.
Hey, it looks like FD